Lecture 3, Working with Midjourney Parameters. Welcome to Lecture 3 of our Midjourney course. Today, we'll dive into the world of Midjourney parameters and explore how they can help you fine-tune your generated images. We'll cover the most commonly used parameters, explain their purpose, and provide examples to help you understand their impact on the final image. By the end of this lecture, you'll have a solid grasp of how to work with Midjourney parameters to further customize and enhance your creations. 3.1. Introduction to Parameters. Parameters are additional settings that you can include in your prompt to guide the AI in generating an image that meets your exact specifications. They can affect aspects such as the image's aspect ratio, quality, and version settings. Let's take a closer look at some of the most commonly used parameters. 3.2 Common Midjourney Parameters. Aspect ratio, R. This parameter allows you to define the dimensions of your image by specifying the ratio between its width and height. For example, R3, 2 would generate an image with a 3:2 aspect ratio, while R16, 9 would produce a widescreen format. Quality, Q. Quality settings range from 1, lowest, to 5, highest. Increasing the quality setting may produce a more detailed and visually appealing image, but may also increase the generation time. For example, Q3 would generate an image with medium quality, while Q5 would produce a high-quality image. Version V. This parameter allows you to specify the version of the AI model used for image generation. Different versions may yield different results, so it's worth experimenting with this setting to find the one that best suits your needs. For example, V4 would use the fourth version of the AI model. 3.3 Incorporating parameters into your prompts. Now that we've covered some common Midjourney parameters, let's see how they can be integrated into your prompts. Here's an example of a prompt with parameters. A beautiful sunset over the ocean, with warm golden light reflecting on the water's surface. R16, 9, Q4, V5. In this example, we've specified an aspect ratio of 16, 9, a quality setting of 4, and the fifth version of the AI model. These parameters work alongside the descriptive text to help Midjourney generate an image that matches our vision. 3.4. Experimenting with parameters. As with crafting effective prompts, it's essential to experiment with different parameter combinations to discover what works best for your desired outcome. By adjusting aspect ratios, quality settings, and version choices, you can fine-tune your images to achieve the perfect balance of aesthetics and performance. To sum up this lecture, we've introduced you to the concept of Midjourney parameters and explored some of the most commonly used ones. We've also shown you how to incorporate these parameters into your prompts and encouraged experimentation to find the perfect combination for your creations. By understanding and utilizing these parameters, you'll unlock a new level of customization and control over your Midjourney generated images. In the next lecture, we'll discuss how to troubleshoot common issues and improve the results of your image generation.